Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to the vehicle interface. So you want to make sure the vehicle is on, which this one currently is, but to do so, it's just, your standard key start. Nothing too exciting for that. But then on here, we'll go to phone, assuming you have like the factory standard equipment. Now phone's connected, so now we'll go to settings. If you did have your phone connected, you could, there's ways you can auto connect as well. But typically there's a max of 5 slots, so we could delete a phone if needed, which I'll do that right off the bat. So iPhone, let's see, we want to delete that. So selected, delete, yes. So now we've only got 3. In this case, we're going to add a phone. So we're good on this part. So you'll take your phone device, make sure you've got your Bluetooth menu turned on. It's a little different for every phone, but that's how most of them are. We'll be scanning now for something that matches this vehicle, which it looks like it's probably going to be this one here. It's probably this one that says sync, so we'll try that. Sync. And then it wants this 923 code, so 923505 pair. And that's it. It's all connected. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful for you today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening.